Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to schedule a YouTube premiere on your YouTube channel. Before the tutorial, make sure to check out our resources in the description below. Free YouTube ebooks, customizable YouTube checklists, exclusive software deals, free trial offers for YouTubers, and many more resources that help you grow your YouTube channel, build a business on it, and make more money from it. Now, back to the tutorial. Right, so if you want to schedule a YouTube premiere, of course you have to open up YouTube Studio first, so go to studio.youtube.com, then just click on the create button as you would regularly do when you want to publish a new video, then click on upload videos, upload your video file from the computer. Once you have uploaded the file, of course add the title and the description, the thumbnail and all that stuff to the video. And to schedule a YouTube premiere, all you have to do is on the visibility tab. Of course, you don't want to publish the video right away, but you want to schedule it. So select this one. You can use vidIQ to see what is the best time to post the video or to schedule the video out. I will link it in the description below. But if you want to schedule this video with YouTube Premiere, then all you have to do is check this checkbox, set as Premiere. As YouTube explains, when you set your video as a premiere, you and your viewers can watch it together at the same time. A public watch page gets created and shows a countdown to the start of your video. When your video starts, you can interact with your viewers in live chat and comments. So this is a great marketing feature you should definitely take advantage of. It's really good for building a community around your YouTube channel to engage with your fans and your most loyal subscribers. And as you can see, there's also a button here to set up Premiere where you can customize the Premiere theme. So as you can see, there is a lot of theme you can choose of, and you can also customize the countdown length from 1 to 5 minutes. Once you have customized the premiere, just click on save and click on schedule, and this scheduled premiere will go live on this date and time. Alright, if something is still not clear to you, check out our more detailed instructional blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐿.com. Links to that in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out our free ebooks, checklists, software deals and templates that help you grow on YouTube and teach you how to make a full-time online business from your YouTube channel. Alright, if you found this free tutorial helpful, please like it, or you can also support us making more free videos by clicking on the thanks button. Any support is appreciated. Thanks.